Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a red cut crease look, and I'm starting off with a primed lid and a highlighted brow bone. Then I go in with a small angled brush to map out my red cut crease using red eyeshadow. Then I use a smudge brush that is loaded with pink eyeshadow to go right on top of that red color. Here you can see me using a blending brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just gently blending the top of the crease color with a light pink blush. And after that I go in with that same small angled brush from earlier with that same red eyeshadow to just intensify the crease a little bit more, and then I do the same for the pink color above the red with a smudge brush. And after I've blended the colors on top of the red eyeshadow some more, you can see me using a small flat shader brush, and it's also by Real Techniques. The brush is loaded with concealer, and here I'm just quickly cutting the crease. And I've seen some people cut their creases with like so much product, and I personally like to use as little concealer as I can. Too much of it can definitely be problematic. Once I'm satisfied with that shape, I go in with a dense eyeshadow brush and pat down the shade Express from the Colourpop Fade into You palette. I'm just patting it down all over where I've just placed that concealer. It's a very beautiful, it's very like light shimmer shadow, and however it ended up looking almost white in pictures. Then I go in with an angled eyebrow brush and I pat down a purple eyeshadow to make a shadow liner. This is the purple shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. After I'm satisfied with the amount of pigment, I quickly tightline using a black eyeliner pencil. Here you can see me going in with a Q-tip that's been moistened with micellar water to clean up the fallout. And after that, you can see me using a wand with eyelash glue on the inner part of the lid, where I then painstakingly apply star-shaped confetti one by one, some of which fell on the floor. Then I apply some mascara to my upper lashes. Then I apply my false lashes, which are cut into two parts. I apply the outer corner first and then the inner corner. And here you can see me pat down some primer for the under eye area, followed by using that angled brush from earlier with the same purple eyeshadow. That day I decided to pat down the purple to kind of join in with the purple liner on top of the lash line. After that I use a small flat shader brush loaded with the shade Shine Bright from the Fade Into You palette. I'm just patting that onto my inner corner for a golden highlight. However, I thought it was a little too yellow, so after that I do pat on a highlighter by Makeuprevolution. It's in the shade Golden Lights. Then I apply some mascara to my bottom lashes and the look is completed. Thank you so much for watching this video.